Got you a little something. Congratulations.
What is it?
Let me see.
Christine, this is amazing. Thank you.
It's so good to see you. Stephen, I love you.
I wish that was true.
Because, Stephen, you have to be the one holding the knife. And I always respected you for it, but I couldn't love you for it.